Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily manage sleep schedule on your Starlink. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Starlink app. As you guys can see, now we need to scroll a bit down until we see settings, and here we need to select the Starlink. Now here we will have the sleep schedule. Now we can easily enable it and it will try and save some power. So let me set it up, let's say from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. Now for those 5 hours, Starlink won't provide any internet or melt snow because it's sleeping. So of course it will also save much power, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.